dyeing my hair again, back in my bathroom. I know, I feel like every month I've been changing my hair. Yeah. It's because I'm still looking for the color for me. I'm still going blonde as a process, but also finding the right blonde for you, the right tone is a process too. So okay, quickly, what happened since my last video about my hair? I went from like pretty like yellowish hair to like this length, and also like it was really ashy in the beginning. Now I have realized, well, first of all, my color, my toner, anything in my hair fades really quickly, so that faded really quickly. And then, you know, I was trying to maintain it with purple shampoo and everything. You know, not all my hair is all the same color. I have some darker pieces, but just like at the bottom, you know, it was more gray, and I just feel like it was washing me out, and I didn't like it as much. I feel like it just didn't do much for my complexion. I just looked very like dull, like my skin looked dull. So anyways, it's been like a month now since I did my hair, because my hair like fades really quickly. Even when I used to dye my hair brown, with permanent color, it would fade like really quickly. So if you want to see my whole blonde transformation, I'll leave all the videos down below. I got some 20 volume because I was out of developer. And then for the color, what I'm gonna do, so yeah, as you probably know, I have a lot of gray hair. Now this is my natural color. I feel like on camera you just see a lot of my dark hair, but in real life you can also see a lot of my white. In roots, I'm going to use a level 7 ashy, so that's going to be, and this is a permanent color cream. Now I know in my first video that I dyed my hair, that I went blonde, I was really mad because I was using a permanent color and everything, but which was probably not the best option for the first time I did it. But to cover gray, you kind of need a permanent color. So I mean, you don't, but it just works better. So I really want to cover my gray, so I'm gonna do this. And also last time I kind of had a bit of a shadow root, so I'm gonna, yes, color my natural hair, but I'm also gonna bring it down a little bit so it can cover that darker like shadowy root that I had. He recommended some Kenra permanent color. Now again, I decided with the permanent color just because they had this in demi, but he said that the permanent is a lot more shiny and everything, so I just went with the permanent. Anyways, my hair fades really quickly. So anyways, so this is like the Tang Favorites, the Kenra color in permanent, as I said, and I got two colors. I got, this is from the Metallics collection. It's the 10 BRM, which is extra light blonde bronze metallic, and then I got a 8 BRM blonde bronze metallic. So these are going to be able to like cancel out the green and also just make my hair a bit like warmer, and I don't know, I'm gonna feel so much better with a bit more warmth. Like I don't want yellow, but I just want like a rich kind of color. I mixed up my first color, which is the 7 Ash Blonde. So basically, as you see, I'm gonna need to cover this and then this. So I need to cover like the dark. Basically, it's just with color, it's 1 part color, 1 part developer. So I don't know why, but today I don't feel that great. It was my exam week this week. I feel like I didn't sleep. I don't know, I was stressed, so and I didn't really work, and I hate when I'm not working. Okay, like it just makes me so stressed not to work, and I don't feel good about myself. Anyways, I got lots to do today. I got some work to do. I've got a date tonight, so it makes me go. And yeah, as you can see, I'm kind of going after. I'm like gonna mix a little bit of the two colors together, but I just want to make this kind of like a natural sort of transition. This better turn out nice, because as I said, I got a date tonight and I got another one tomorrow with a different guy. But don't judge me, don't judge me. It's because the guy from tomorrow did not text back soon enough, so I said yes to the guy of tonight. Well, you know, if you snooze, you lose. And I'm just gonna do all the different layers. My roots are done now. It looks dark, but it's like it's not gonna be that dark, but hopefully everything is gonna be evened out on my roots. Ah, this is cold. Now I just mix the other colors, which these colors are really thick. The Igora Royal. Well, first of all, it's super easy to squeeze out. These ones were hard, and the actual texture seems a little thicker. I've never used this brand before. And yeah, I just have 1 ounce of each color. I think it'll be fine to do my hair. If not, I'll just add more. I'm gonna start with my fingers, and I'm just gonna go for it. And as I'm applying, first of all, making sure everything is well saturated, but also I'm kind of gonna blend the top here. Not too much though, because I don't want to bring the darker color too much. It looks a little dark, but okay, my hair is super dark. This looks black. It's not gonna be black, but I see, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, like right here, this is very warm, which you know I'm fine with. I just hope it's gonna turn out fine. I basically had to wait like 40 minutes for my roots, and then I think he said 25 for the rest. So anyways, I'll see you soon. Like, girl, can you learn? Can you learn? Hi, update. I've been crying a lot. I can't stop crying. So getting my period like tomorrow, so everything is a big deal. Like, my hair is the color of this ugly ass towel. I don't even be too dramatic, you know. Yeah, what the hell is this? It's like a greenish brown. It's not even that it's way too dark, because I knew maybe it was gonna turn a little darker, and I didn't mind. Forget how dark it is. It's like, it's green. Like, it's so ugly. I don't want to be like, it's so ugly. I try not to be so negative, you know, and everything. It's just, it's not what I wanted. But even if it's not what I want, I just don't think anybody likes a tint of green in their hair. It's just hair, I know, like, I'm not stupid. But it's just like, my hair is just like short, which is fine. I've been liking this length, but like, you know, it's not like healthy now. This is the first time that I've cried in all the times that I've done my hair. Like, even when I really like bleached my hair the first time and like messed up everything, I didn't cry. Like, look at the color. It looks like a faded, like, ugly color. It's just everything I don't like. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna survive. By the way, the last girl I went to see, she was great. It's not that I did not like what she did. I did like it. First of all, my next appointment was only in January, like at the end. Like, I had a lot of regrowth. I needed to redo my color because toner doesn't last in my hair. Like, color in general doesn't last in my hair. So I know this is gonna fade or whatever. Anyways, I felt like I needed to share this with you in this state. But yeah, this is it. The more I look at it, the more I want to cry. I'm very emotional when I get my period. I need to eat. Okay, this is the worst lighting ever. Lighting doesn't help, but this like these kind of colors just make my skin look terrible. This, I don't want to cry again. Anyways, I canceled my date with that other guy because, not because of my hair, because he didn't want to make an effort to come closer to where I live. So I was like, you know what, this has been a very emotional day. Very emotional. Oh, hell no. Okay, so this is my hair. This is me all like my makeup done and everything. So I'm gonna film with this little camera here so you can see the difference in colors. My hair looks green here, it looks great here. So I have like my ring lights, and I have orange panels. I'll just show you here. So I have these orange panels, which makes my hair, my skin, my complexion, everything look much better. My hair doesn't look this good. It looks like this, but worse, because the paneling makes it look a lot better. So yeah, I think what happened is, for some reason, the colors I used, I don't know if they were expired, or I really don't know, but they turned out way too dark. First of all, the first problem is that the colors turn way too dark. A level 10 and 8 is not supposed to be a 9, and it's not supposed to turn this dark. But since it turned this dark, first of all, I think that the bronze color, if you really think about it, to me a bronze, when I really think about it now, is not just a coppery, but almost like a bronze metal. It almost has like a green to it. Am I just crazy? I don't know. I feel like it has some green to it, which is not what I wanted. My hair was already so ashy. I had some yellow parts. I had some yellow and like orangey parts, but anyways, so I think since my hair color turned so dark, like blonde hair has less pigment in it, like it doesn't have really the yellow and the orange and the red, so when you put a darker color on top, it's gonna turn green. So when people like go from blonde to dark, a lot of times you see it looks green, and it's because they didn't put like a red like pigment all over their hair. So anyways, I think that's what happened to me, because what is it, I don't know, it doesn't look bad here. I'm telling you, I just filmed the video. I'm fine with what I'm seeing right now, but this is not what it is in real life, and I can't, like, I don't live my life with ring lights, you know, like it looks good here, it doesn't look good for real. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Be really careful. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow, go back and ask what the hell happened. I will just do another video showing you how I fix it, because I feel like this is gonna be really long. So this is this. I cried a lot today. I'm getting my period, but yeah, it's just hair, but I like spent a lot of time and energy and like money in going blonde, and then just to put a color, I just wanted to be like a little warmer. I actually wanted to be like a beige blonde, like a level 9, but like a bit more beigey, you know, not so ashy. And this is what I got brown. Like right now I think I look good, but I don't look like this in real life. So anyways, yeah, this is that. If you're looking at this video right now and you're like, oh, this is a nice color, I would like to get this, don't use the colors I just used, because it's not going to give you that result. I don't know if those were expired or not. This, I don't know, it's like, this is brown, and it's like a really ashy kind of mousy greenish brown. I don't think nobody wants a greenish brown, but anyways, yeah, this is it. I'll leave what I used down below. I don't know. This color though, I'm happy with it. Igora Royal, they make great colors. I've used their colors a lot before, when I used to dye my hair brown. So yeah, at level 7 on my gray hair, it turned like a nice rich color. I do like it. To me, it's a little darker than a 7, but what do I know? I don't know. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know. I know this is gonna fade because my hair always fades, and you see that I have some lighter pieces, you know, but like this is not what I wanted. Anyways.